Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of January, 2025, our system has identified Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 9.26%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.85% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at 0.231 is breached, this could indicate a slower rate of increase and may serve as an early warning for a potential shift in the trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 51.7% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 50.74% to 335.93%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a decrease of around 5.51% over the next year, with potential returns varying from -88.16% to +768.6%. This translates to a price range between 0.0275 and 2.02 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price on Wednesday, moving between 0.216 and 0.238. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price gained 2.29% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, rising from 0.227 to 0.232. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.19% from a day low at 0.216 to a day high of 0.238. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 35.49% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares bought and sold for approximately $9.05 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $2.64, and the lowest price was $0.101. Currently, the price is 91.20%, or $2.41, below the 52-week high, and 97.58%, or $9.37, below the all-time high on the 29th of November, 2018, when the price reached $9.60. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading under the ticker TNXP, is currently at a crucial stage regarding its lead candidate, TNX102SL, for fibromyalgia. Recently, the company announced that the Food and Drug Administration has set a Prescription Drug User Fee Act goal date of August 15, 2025, for a decision on the U.S. marketing approval for TNX102SL. This indication of a clear timeline is vital as it provides a pathway for investors to anticipate regulatory developments. Before this update, Tonix had already celebrated the FDA's acceptance of its new drug application for the same product, reinforcing the momentum towards a potential approval. The expectations for this drug are particularly high, following support from 2 Phase 3 studies that demonstrated statistically significant results. In terms of market impact, the approach of the Prescription Drug User Fee Act date can create short-term volatility for TNXP shares. A favorable decision could act as a significant catalyst, potentially lifting share prices as investor sentiment shifts positively. Conversely, an unfavorable decision might lead to immediate declines. Over the longer term, the success of TNX102SL could solidify Tonix's position in the chronic pain management market and drive sustained investor interest, especially with the rising demand for non-narcotic treatments in this therapeutic area. Investors should closely monitor upcoming announcements and developments, as these will be pivotal in influencing both the short-term stock price and the long-term viability of Tonix Pharmaceuticals in the competitive biopharmaceutical landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, Noble Capital Markets rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Noble Capital also rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, Noble Financial rated TNXP as buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, Craig-Hallum assigned TNXP a hold rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor this stock closely. Additionally, several negative signals have emerged, which could impact its near-term development. The stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of 264 cents and 285 cents. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 20th of December 2024, and thus far the stock has decreased by 62.02%. Continued declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 157 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Tonix Pharmaceuticals finds support from accumulated volume at $0.229, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.022 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 10.19%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 14.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or incurring losses. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest insufficient profits and may raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of March, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is at $0.256. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals faces its first support level at $0.229. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of May, 2024, when Treco James executed an insider purchase of 104,621 shares of stock options. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? The stock of Tonix Pharmaceuticals presents several unfavorable signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the performance of Tonix Pharmaceuticals will be weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of January, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open lower by 0.3 of a cent and begin trading at 229/100ths of a dollar. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.